remove our window covers right now, but there are hundreds of people around right now.
We are in La Jolla, California, which is in San Diego. We are parked beachside right now, and we are here for a wedding that is at 4 o'clock. We are going to take you into a day in the life of van living and getting ready for a wedding in a van. So this should be interesting. Another day, another emptying of the pee jug. But this time, we get to do it in a massive crowd. Good luck, babe.
Did not mean to do that. We have not left our bed in bed mode for one day since we've been living in van life, and we spent about 10 nights so far in it, and we're only doing it because we're literally going to a wedding. We're not going to spend any time in the van, and we're going to get back and go to sleep. So hopefully we don't just keep being lazy, but
It's kind of nice to not have to do it.
kind of nice to not have to do it.
Wait, Loki, you want to make the bed?
Kind of. Should I just? I hate how tight it is.
We're gonna change the bed. Bye guys, we're changing the bed.
I don't know how people just leave it in bed mode. I just feel so claustrophobic in here.
Yeah, it's
Like-
gotta be changed. We're weak. We're so weak.
I feel so much better. I'm so
Yeah,
glad we
this
didn't-
was the right move. Good job.
Yeah, good job. Now let's get ready for the wedding. Normally we would shower in the van, but we don't have a lot of water. There's no water fill stations for the next hour, and we don't want to worry about running out of water tonight, so we're gonna take it at the beach.
And I'm even gonna bring my body wash. It's biodegradable, so don't worry.
I have no idea where my belt is, and my pants will be on my ankles if I don't find it. Found it! It was underneath the cushion.
What shirt did you pick out?
The only button up I have.
Perfect.
Thanks to our inverter, our van is able to handle things like curling irons and other household items.
Right now I'm editing a little bit because I finished getting ready before Kelly did, and we were just talking about this earlier, so I told Kelly to film this. I don't know how people are lazy about leaving their bed in bed mode. We were going to today, and I am so glad we didn't because I feel so much more productive. The van feels so much bigger. I don't feel claustrophobic in here. I love that we have the ability to, have a living space.
Sonny's happy about it. He's having a big dream right now.
Dinette set, layout, can't recommend it enough.
Okay, I'm all done. I think I did pretty good for doing my hair in a van. What do you think?
Looks absolutely beautiful.
We're gonna go get tacos soon and drop Sonny off, so I think I'm not gonna change until then.
Yeah, no need.
Yeah. We are on our way to drop off Sonny with a doggy babysitter that we found in the area. We were supposed to drop him off like an hour or two ago, but we do not want to leave him or spend the night away from him, so we've been stalling, but that's where we are on our way to right now. Shout out to Sam's incredible parallel parking he just did. Good job, babe.
Thanks, babe. It's what happens when you live in San Francisco for 4 years.
Yeah. We are going to make our way to Mike's Taco Club. We have been excited about this all day, and we've already looked at the menu, so we know what we're gonna get.
We just had amazing tacos at Mike's Taco Club, and now we're gonna head to the wedding. Wish us luck. We have no idea where we're gonna park the van. It's too tall for all the parking garages downtown, so let's see if we can get lucky.
A couple of things worth noting is we definitely have some ants in the van. I think it's because of Sonny's dog food. We've let some kibbles fly here and there. Hopefully we can figure that out. Also, as Sam mentioned, the wedding we're going to is downtown San Diego, and our van just doesn't fit in parking garages, and there's not that many outdoor lots, especially not ones that are safe. We have a couple potential options that could work, so we shall see. Wow, we're at a stoplight. He's trying to kill the ants.
I'm doing a good job. Hi.
Yeah, I'm sorry I can't park you here. You're way oversized.
After getting turned away from a few lots, we finally found some good luck.
So we got a spot. It's literally 3 minutes walking away, so we'll probably be checking on it continuously throughout the event.
We're a little paranoid, as you can see. Rightfully so, though. Okay, it's time to actually get ready for the wedding now. 1, 2. Okay, ready to go. These are the nicest shoes that I have in the van. You are looking at future Sam and Kelly and Sunny. It's a couple days after the wedding. We've actually been in San Diego now for a full week, almost over a week. It was definitely fun getting to get dressed in the van and
really
definitely
fun.
Interesting.
Honestly, I was surprised how easy it was.
Yeah, wasn't too bad. I think we did all right. I did try to find some fancier shoes than my purple Birkenstocks, but cards weren't in our favor. Whatever. No one looked at my feet.
I'm gonna wait for him to finish drinking water. Our dog's drinking water right now.
We kind of left you hanging on the last video with this little guy, but we're gonna talk about that more in another video. We're really excited to do that, but it was fun to kind of keep that to ourselves for about a week and tell our close friends and family first. We're definitely gonna share more about that story a couple videos from now. And we're gonna show the rest of our San Diego adventures on the next video, so this is just the beginning. So thank you guys so much for watching and watching our van build journey, watching now our travel journey. We really, really appreciate it.
If you want more frequent updates, you can follow us on Instagram at Sam and Kelly's Van. Kelly does a great job with that.
I'm Kelly.
I'm Sam, and Sunny's underneath the camera right now, and we will see you guys on the next video.
Bye. Guys. The ants chose war.
Holy it worked. Oh my god, it's hot as
Oh, that's Tony. He's back in our lives.
United.
And
Tony, we're so happy.
good.